Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for revisiting and watching all my videos. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we notice the price action in daily time frame, you can notice that there was a very big green candle yesterday. So the bullish trend has started. But when we notice the price action also, we could notice that it has gone up, retracement, gone up, again retracement, again gone up, again retracement, again gone up and retracement. You can see that it is going in a very nice bullish trend. And every time when it goes on a bullish trend, retracement has happened, which means that it's a healthy uptrend. Here also we have noticed that the price has gone up, retracement, price has gone up, then a retracement, again gone up, then a retracement, and after this there was a very sharp bullish trend starting from here. So we can expect a similar price action here also, but it has to cross this previous high. Let us wait and see if it crosses this previous high of 1868. Here we can notice the resistance and support level, daily time frame price action, and it is nicely moving within a bullish channel pattern, and currently it is in a bullish trend trying to test this resistance level of the bullish channel pattern. But overall when we notice the price action, it is still trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. There is a support line and also we have the resistance lines. So it has to break this resistance line to actually continue its bullish trend. But overall when we see the price action in daily time frame, it is in a very nice bullish trend. So when the price action retraces, we can expect it to take support on the support level of 1834 to 1828. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and from the daily time frame we know that the current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern, and every time it makes a trend reversal, it forms into a very nice double top pattern. Then it goes on a bullish trend, again retraces. So again it is trying to test this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. I am expecting it to test this resistance level or this trend line from the daily time frame, then to make a double top, then a trend reversal to happen. Currently the price action is consolidating. We can expect a trend reversal and test this support level of 1834. Only when it breaches this support level, we can expect a further fall and test this support level of 1812. If the price action needs to continue its bullish trend, it has to come on a retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the blue color are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently price action is in a bullish trend. I am expecting it to test this resistance level of 1847, then a trend reversal to happen. And this level between 1834 and 1825 will be acting as a very strong support. I am expecting a bounce back. If it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall and test this next level of support, which is going to be around 1812. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we notice the price action in hourly time frame, yesterday also I had highlighted the price action was trading in a very nice downtrend. If you had drawn a trend line like this, you could have taken advantage on the downside momentum, and also once it breaks this support level, you could have gone on a bullish side trades. So currently when we notice the price action, there is a consolidation happening over here, and also we have the higher time frame resistance line from the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So I am expecting it to go up to this resistance line, then a trend reversal to happen. Currently the market looks very bullish. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in pink color are the support and resistance levels from the higher time frame. The values marked in yellow color are the resistance and support levels from the hourly time frame. Currently price action has taken support on the value of 1841 and it is in a bullish trend. We have the first level of resistance from the daily time frame channel pattern. If it manages to break this resistance level, we can expect the resistance line from the symmetric triangle to be acting as a next level of resistance. Currently the price action looks bullish, but we can expect a retracement at any time. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action, it has gone on a very nice bullish trend, and it is in the bullish trend to test this resistance line of the daily time frame. We can expect a retracement from here or from this resistance line of the symmetric triangle pattern. Wait for a retracement, then go on a bullish trend, because this level of support from the higher time frame will be acting as a very strong support level. Only when it bridges this support area, we can expect a retracement to test this support line of the bullish trend. But as long as this support is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue and retest on this resistance line of the daily time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the black color are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame, and we have the higher time frame support level over here, which is around 1834 to 1828. Currently we can notice that the price action is trying to form a double top pattern. Soon we can expect the trend reversal to happen, but it has to break this support area to actually continue with bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action, it was in a very sharp bullish trend over here, and from here slowly it has gone on a bullish side, which means that bullish momentum has slowed down, but still it was on a bullish trend. Over here it broke this trend line or the support line, and it went on a retracement. Even when the price action breaches this support line, bearish trend looks very weak, and here you can notice that it has again given a trend reversal. So I am expecting a bullish trend to continue again to test this trend line. This will be acting as a resistance line for now. We can expect it to test this trend line or the bullish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame and a retracement to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action looks very bullish. Wait for it to take resistance at this trend line, then we can expect a retracement to happen, but still this level will be acting as a very strong support. Only when it breaches this support area, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.